All right, this is lesson number 25. We're going to be solving systems by graphing. So you can go ahead and pause the video right now, and you can actually, I'm going to do the same thing. Go ahead and graph both of these lines on this same graph. I'm going to do it in two different colors. You're going to see how I'm going to do it, but you don't need to watch me go through that process. Go ahead and pause the video and graph both of those lines now. Okay, so I graphed both lines. I used since this equation is in standard form, I used the standard form method to graph this line. Notice that I did label it. And then this one is in slope-intercept form, so I used the slope and the y-intercept in order to graph the blue one. Notice that I labeled it. So when we graph these lines, it's important that we label them because now we've got more than one graph on the page. Okay, so go ahead and check your graphs, make sure that they match my graphs. All right. Name the ordered pair where the graphs of the two linear equations intersect. Okay, well, they intersect right here. And we learned in the last lesson that that's an important point. So that is the coordinates 6, 3. So that is the actual solution. Graphing is the method. Where they intersect, those coordinates, that's the actual solution. That's the actual solving. The coordinates of this point, x and y, make both of these equations true at the same time. So we can verify that by actually plugging in. So if I go to the first equation here, we want to verify that 6, 3 is a solution to this equation. Well, how do I do that? I plug in. So I'm going to plug in 3 for y, and I'm going to plug in 6 for x, and that's supposed to equal 12. So that's 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's a check. What about the other one? So again, I'm going to plug in 3 for y, and I'm going to plug in 3 for y, and I'm going to plug in 6 for x, minus 2. So this is 3 equals 5, 6 times 6 is 5. 5 minus 2 is definitely 3. That's also a check. So you can see that these coordinates, this x and this y, if you plug it into this equation, you get something that's true. If you plug it into this equation, that gets something that's true. So to solve a system of equations by graphing, we have two steps. Step 1, graph both equations. And I'm just going to put here label, because we have to label. And then the second thing is find the point where the lines intersect. And that point is going to be the solution to the system. And so then if you're asked to verify it, you can actually go ahead and verify it.